Hey guys, got this 2001 Mercury Grand Marquis here today, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace this lens here. So you can see we've got a little crack in this. We want to take it off and replace it. Very simple. One Phillips screw located here. You're going to take this out. And once we get this Phillips screw out, next thing we need to do is remove this cover over here. And you'll find that there's 3 twisty tabs that we need to unlock. One is actually missing, which is located here. Then we've got another one here. You can see we turn them counterclockwise, and another one over here, counterclockwise. Once we do that, we can just lift this piece up and set it off to the side. I'm going to use it as a tray for our bolt. And then we have an 11mm nut that's down in here. So I've just got a long extension with a swivel and an 11mm. And you just kind of sneak it down in there. Once we get this out, we can pop this lens out. Now, if you want, it might help to use a magnet to avoid dropping this, because it's a little tricky to get your hands in there. I'm just going to grab a magnet. There we go, we got that nut off. Now we're ready to remove this lens. So we're gonna come out this way with it. And it's fairly simple. You just kind of give it a little wiggle here. And I'm gonna try to push on the back of this stud. And there we go. So we've got one connector here that's going to disconnect the lens harness from the main harness. Little locking tab there. There it is. If you want to remove the lights, we just turn these counterclockwise and pull these sockets out. Same with this one, counterclockwise. And then there's a little metal tab here that sort of just clips on. You can use a little flathead screwdriver or something to pop that off. Reassemble everything, and then we just install it in the reverse order. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next one.